Hi guys, do you struggle to catch real trends in Nifty and Bank Nifty? Today I'll show you a simple and powerful strategy. Before that, first comment below. Are you a scalper or intraday trader? This setup uses only two lines, that is EMA 50 and TEMA 50 and TEMA 200 along with VWAP as an institution line. So whenever the price cross above 200 EMA, it is a buy signal, and whenever that 50 TEMA cross below the 200 TEMA, it is sell signal. So there is no confusion, no guesswork, only two lines with the help of VWAP. So now, if you have a confusion that whether the price is really above or below, which direction is going, so that's why the VWAP will help you after generating the buy signal. If the price is going above VWAP, it is a buy momentum. After getting the sell signal, if the price is going below to VWAP, then it is a sell signal. That is, sellers are strong. If above, the price is above VWAP, the buyers are strong. So now check your chart. You tell me that how this situation comes. So when the sideways market comes, you can clearly understand that the price, I'm using a 5 minutes time frame, whenever the price is near to VWAP and it's not going anywhere between the 50 TMA line and 200 TMA line, then this is not a right entry. This is not a trending market. This is only sideways. This day you can avoid trading. So that's why this indicator is more powerful. Whenever that price is trending, you can see that this TMA 50 and TEMA 200, it is not closer, it is just widespread. So in this situation, you can enter market unless otherwise there is no entry. I'll show you that how this indicator perform in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. Bank Nifty also same. You can see to avoid side market, there will be price is near to the VWAP and it is not moving away from the two lines. So whenever there is a clear sell signal, you can see that these two TEMA lines are spread over. And if it is price is above below, that will be the institution support by VWAP. Here you can see that how the buy signal is arise. After that, there is a clear cut buy and sell signal came after that. There is a clear cut sell signal. So this indicator is highly performing indicator. And for example, we need a back tested result. So I'm using this indicator, whether this indicator will give a profit or not. So that's why I given a back tested result. In case of Nifty, we will see that how this indicator given a back tested result. Imagine that you're investing this in from December 15 to March 27. When you invested around 1 lakh, you can see the profit of 20%. So 20% return by using this indicator, and total number of trade is around 78, and the maximum equity drawn is 3.2%, which is very healthy equity drawn, and the profitable factor is 2.186. Okay, so how many trade it's executed? You see that in the day wise. So you can see the profit and loss statement around this much. In case of long, that is buy side, sell side, the amount is generated this much. The overall profit is around more than 20%. So this is the total execution chart, how it is, the back tested result created, and day wise how much traded is done. So you can see that how many transaction is done day wise. You can see the net profit and loss, and the losses are minimized when it is profit. You see that how much profit per day itself 23,000, and the losses are only very minimal losses. So overall, from December 15, 25 to March 27, 2026, the indicator is outperformed, generated excellent result. Okay, we'll show you in the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also you can see how much profit per day, and here you can see that back tested results from December 15 to March 27, 2026. So this is the list. You can see that how this indicator is outperformed Nifty and Bank Nifty, and in some other day during the February 3rd, 57,000 in one execution. So that is 5%. It is generated profit. So that much powerful indicator we are using intraday. So this indicator is freely available in TradingView. The indicator name is KCP TEMA indicator, and just type Pro if you want this indicator in TradingView. I'm just going to make this indicator free for everyone. And if you like this video, please comment Pro and follow my YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you so much.